I'm Dr. Lindsay Trottier. I'm a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine practicing in San Diego, California, and the name of my practice is Level Acupuncture. Today I'm going to share with you a simple stretch and exercise you can do to help with your low back. I have made quite a few videos already, so you can check out my YouTube channel for other videos on how to help strengthen and stretch your low back. So this is a common exercise I've been teaching in my clinic this week. A lot of times with the low back, what is happening is we're getting a lot of tightness through the front part of the body. So this is a simple stretch that you can do to help open up this area. If you review my Superman pose video, then you will know that you are going to want to stand with your feet about hip width most of the day with a little bend. You'll also want to review my hinge exercise video where you take the broom and you're using the broom to help hinge at your hips to help develop the back side of these muscles. So this stretch is like a runner's lunge, but it's going to be a lot more simple. What you're going to do is stagger your feet, okay? And again, you'll want them to be wide as your hips. You're not going to be on a tightrope. You're not going to have your feet out or in. Your second and third toes should be pointing about straight ahead, okay? And you'll have a little bend in your hips. And again, you'll want to have your hips level. So if you need to, you can grab a broom and check, are my hips level? Okay? So step one of the exercise is to just get into this position. Okay, make sure that they're not too high, and as you push forward, you should feel a stretch, probably starting from about here down your leg. Okay, and that's the simple stretch. Step two would be to raise your arms up. Now, some of my patients will not be able to get their arms straight up. They'll have a lot of tightness through the side body, and it'll look like this. So if that's the case, you're gonna want to work on stretching the side of your body, and I do have another video that you can work on stretching out the side body, okay? So step two of this exercise will be just to lift your arms up. Again, you will feel the stretch through the back leg, okay? Step three will be to tilt toward the back leg. Okay? Make sure that if you don't have great balance, you're going to be near a table or something, or a bed, that you can catch yourself if you don't feel completely balanced when you do this. But this is a really good way to work on your core, okay? I tell my patients there's two types of stretching. There's static stretching and dynamic stretching. Dynamic is when you warm up and bring blood flow into the muscles. Static is when you just hold. So you never want to go into static stretching without warming up your muscles. You can do this stretch as a dynamic stretch. So what that would look like is bending your knees and coming out of it, okay, to get blood flow. So lifting your arms, and if you're doing this, you can go back and forth, okay? If you wanted to work on strengthening a little bit, you can even bring your heel up and down, either just like this, or like this, or like this, okay? This is a little bit more advanced. So some of my patients aren't ready for that quite yet. From the side, what it will look like is step one, step two, step three, step four. Okay, so this is a simple stretch you can do at home. This should not be painful. You should just feel a stretch. If it does cause you pain, you should stop immediately and consult a medical professional like myself. You can book with me online through my website, www.level-acupuncture.com, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.